Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upload high quality media on Instagram. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You've spent days brainstorming a fun new product launch campaigns. You invest in a team of photographers and graphic designer and spend your perfecting your caption to produce the best content possible. But when it's finally posted to your Instagram account, the quality is off. In fact, the whole video looks blurry and pixelated. Suddenly, everything you worked so hard on has come undone. But don't worry, how to fix it? How if you want to upload high quality media on your Instagram? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. You can go to settings by tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down. You can go to your app and media section. There is an option data usage and media quality. You can just tap on that. You can see there is an option media quality, media upload quality, upload at highest quality. You can tap on the toggle on here. You can activate the toggle. So now your Instagram will always upload the highest quality photos and videos even if uploading takes longer. When it's off, Instagram will automatically adjust the upload quality to fit network condition. So if you want to upload high video quality on your Instagram, you can just turn on enable this feature, the upload at the highest quality media. It's so simple, right? So that is how to upload high media quality on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!